In the center of a busy old town stood a tiny shop with a fading wooden sign that read, "Time repaired here." Inside lived Mr. Calder, an elderly clockmaker whose wrinkled hands moved with the precision of a master musician. People said he could fix any clock ever made, but few knew the deeper truth: he didn't just repair clocks, he repaired people. One cold winter evening, a young woman named Lena rushed into his shop carrying a broken silver pocket watch. It was her father's last gift before he passed away, and the ticking had stopped the night she lost her job. "Everything in my life feels paused," she whispered, eyes heavy with disappointment. Without asking many questions, Mr. Calder examined the watch, but instead of opening it, he placed it gently on the table and invited her to sit. "Some clocks stop not because of broken gears," he said softly, "but because the person carrying them forgets their own rhythm." Confused but curious, Lena watched him work silently for hours. He cleaned every corner, polished every part, and finally opened the tiny heart of the watch. A small, almost invisible speck of dust had blocked the balance wheel. "Such a little thing," she murmured. "Little things often steal the loudest dreams," he replied. When he clicked the back panel shut, the watch began ticking again, slowly at first, then steadily, like a heartbeat remembering its purpose. But something unexpected happened. With every tick, Lena felt lighter, as if the sound reminded her of a forgotten courage inside her. She thanked him and turned to leave, but Mr. Calder called out, "Time didn't stop for you, child. You simply stopped for a moment. Now keep walking." That night, she updated her resume, applied for new jobs, and slowly rebuilt the confidence she had lost. Months later, she returned, not with a broken watch, but with an invitation. She had been hired as a designer for a major company, and she wanted Mr. Calder to attend her first exhibition. The old clockmaker smiled knowingly. "Remember," he said as he handed her the silver watch, "time is loyal to those who keep moving." As she walked away, the sound of the watch echoed in her pocket, steady, brave, alive, reminding her that even when life feels paused, one small step can restart everything.